Hey y'all, I'm back for a minute. Excuse my hair. I didn't go out today, so I never uncover my locks when I don't go out. Just to keep lint and all of that other stuff, especially when I'm just laying around the house. But I had to go get the McDonald's in my community was closed today for some reason. I don't know if they redid the parking lot or what. So I had to go in town to get my soda. And I just ended up getting me a fresh fry. But I just hop back on right quick. Oop. Put together my own crispy chicken sandwich. Want a bite? Look at that. I ain't gonna be on here long. It's Friday. I'm bored to death. I'm normally out and about at my son's football game, but they didn't make it to the playoffs, so no game. First basketball game is not to the end of the month. We was talking about French fries last night on somebody's channel. I think it was C Circle. I don't know who had the best French fries, and McDonald's got the best French fries. Hands down. That's why everybody love them, kids and all. Real quick and sandwich. I would say I put my foot in, but I think I'm gonna keep this a separate video from the recipe. I need for y'all to really watch my videos all the way through. I think by Sunday I'm gonna be at 2,900 watch hours, which means next week at some point I'll be hitting 3,000 watch hours, and basically I'm coming in for a landing. So I gotta really push for these views, and that's where you come in at. French fry, because I really want to get these be monetized by the end of the year. I don't want to go into January if I don't have to. I'm still trying to get monetized. Excuse me. So I just realized that today my kids have a 3-day weekend. It's Veterans Day on Monday. But at least I get to sleep in. I don't have to wake up to get my son up. But I will say I've been falling asleep at decent times now, past week or so. So my chicken sandwich is much better than Popeye. It's just that I had to take time to make it. I've been putting up some holiday videos for y'all, like jewelry. I guess not many of my followers like jewelry because I'm not getting much views on it. I don't know if it's YouTube is bumping it down in the feed, in people's feed, or people just are not interested. But what I was telling y'all was that the place where I get my jewelry pieces from, which is these right here, this little pendant, all of this I got videos on. They sell everything. It's like a QVC HSN home shopping network, except for I think they have better quality stuff. I think the only thing I shopped on, it was either QVC or HSN, was this detergent my mother told me about. I can't remember the name of it. And then I went and bought one of those high-end blenders. I got the thing in the mail and it didn't work. Excuse me, anything else? To me, it just looked cheap. I used to look at their jewelry and stuff on TV. It just looked cheap. It didn't look like anything I would want to buy from what I saw, but I could be wrong. I just always stuck with shopping BC because I do know you could get some good pieces off of there. And their stuff is not cheap. So, before you head to the jewelry store, if you want to buy your mom, girlfriend, yourself, wife, husband, whoever, a piece of jewelry, don't go into the jewelry store. Unless it's a jeweler you've been shopping with for years, but on Shop HQ, you can find some very distinct pieces that I don't believe you're going to see anywhere else. They make these pieces specifically for, as far as I know, for those shows and for those companies. So, and it's not an unlimited amount of pieces. They only bring in so many of those pieces. And is 9 times out of 10 you're not going to bump into anybody who has that piece unless they bought it from the same place you did. But they have some really nice pieces, very distinctive, very nice, and for decent prices. So, and I was just trying to show y'all what I got. I collect more than just sneakers. I've always been a jewelry person. I got it honestly from my mom and from my father's people. My great grandmother and my grandmother. They love jewelry too. I have so many pieces that was passed down to me from my great grandmother and my grandmother when they passed away. And this is one of them. The necklace and the little heart. I have rings. I have pendants. I gotta get bells put on them so I could put them on a necklace. And they're old pieces too. So That's all I wanted to do, was come and chit chat with you for a minute. Show y'all my sick chicken sandwich. I did post the recipe. Well, I'm going to post the recipe before you see this, and give it a try. Instead of fighting down there at Popeyes. If you feel like cooking. So, I'm going to get out of here. I'm full too. I don't want any more. Enjoy your weekend, your 3-day weekend. Give me a thumbs up. Please run my playlist if you can, if it's not too much. Excuse me, play my videos in full so I could get my view minutes, my watch minutes. I appreciate you. Peace. Until next time.